Yo, hello. Yep, so this is our first codeforces contest. This is some random contest I've picked up. We're going div 2 because the idea is I guess ICPC round 1 is div 2 equivalent, and that's what we're doing here. So let's get right into this. So the format for this is let me just get C line ready. Yep. So the thing about ICPC is, yeah, you do problems on your own IDE and then you submit that folder. Watch, copy paste the solution onto their platform, which I don't know why, but sure. And I don't remember C++ either, so yeah, that's a good idea. Only to start with, but should be fine. And anyway, yeah, let's get right into this. Bruh, I'm damn sleepy right now, but confirm it. Ah, shit. What did I do? Go. Alright. It's because easier to order. Let's see. A permutation star B of even length can do the following process. Initialize the counter C equals 0 from each I to n, either add I times bi to C or subtract I times bi from C. You're given every single integer, given a single even integer n, find any permutation length of n, so that regardless of the operations chosen, the final value C final will not be what permutation of n consisting of n distinct integers from 1 to n in arbitrary order. For example, is a permutation, or they must be distinct. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now you've said that n is an even integer. 1, 2, 2 is not a permutation. Because 1, 3, 4 is also not a permutation. Each test contains multiple test cases. Every line of each test contains a single. The first and only line of each test case contains a single even integer. The first and only line. Which is the length of the desired permutation for each test case. Output and just if there are multiple solutions, print any. Counter can be plus 2 times 1 plus okay, or do nothing. So I plus 1 times n plus 1 times the number minus 1 times the number, or do nothing. And if we don't want the final number C final to be, oh, simple, you don't want C final to be 1, then you just make every interaction even. So that means if you just go even odd, even odd, even odd, even odd, even odd, even odd, then that means yep. Okay, so source file. What is this problem? Form biggie and subset. Form biggie. Okay, so the thought is uh-oh. Okay, my camera has this bad camera. What? Boom. And how do I bring this to front? Boom. And boom. But anyway, guys, listen. So this is a sick solve. What this says is that you start with this counter C equals 0, and then you have interactions with every number, and every number is its position index multiplied by from 1 to n. I goes its position index multiplied by its number, and then we just ensure that we go even, odd, even, odd. So let's take the input, which I forgot how to do, so let's copy from some other code. Include bitstream, iostream. Okay, so thing is, I would like to have explain this further, but using namespace stud. Okay, yeah. The whole point of this is that you're under time pressure. Int main. This is, so you got int n Cin goes to n. So this reads the input. That's the first thing. So that is the number of thingies, right? Then you have an. Okay, I think this is a special one. See it. Oh. Vector into v of n. Yep. Everything is like that, and that creates us a vector and elements. Then we have or we can just do a for loop. So Cn goes to Vi, yep. Less than n. Cn okay, boom. Hope that is correct syntax. We have hashtag included IO stream. Why are you okay? Whatever. Now we do for vector int now we want a vector of vectors. Or do we just print? For okay, whatever. We've read standard input. Right, now for each of them, pardon me. For each of these, we need to have oh, the thing is we have an edge case now, don't we? And our edge case being is what if there's 5 numbers, then we can't go even odd, even odd, even odd. So what we must do then is we go this, right? This is the worst edge case, and they need to be at least 2 number. Oh, it's an even number of numbers. Single even integer. Oh yeah, then we're chilling. I'm pretty sure we can just do vector of vector int 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 s, let's say u of size, excuse me, I need to use the toilet. Ooh. Holy allergy season. Okay, so where were we? Into vector u, which would be of size vi, or let's call a new int m, which is vi. Does that work? Is that C syntax? Oh yes, it is. So I read a book on C a while ago and I don't remember anything. Now this vector is of that size, and we're going to do for, and we just go reverse order. Simple. For int I equals m, I greater than 0, I plus plus, I minus minus, pardon me, v of comma int j equals 0. How do I do this? I equals v of j equals I. Then we have a vector int a of length, oh wait, no, a of length, again n, and here, wait, can I just stood out? U, boom, don't need this. Okay, let's test our code. Semicolon, where have we missed semicolon? Bruh. Hashtag include vector. Sure. What the fuck is this? Oh. Are you dumb, fam? What do you want me to do? Okay. If this is what you want, then so be it. Silly format. And how are you supposed to start out? Oh, you return. What? That's what you print. Dash and see out. Oh, it's see out, not start out. How are you supposed to see it? Do you need a dash dash and L? Oh my god. Are you joking? Are you joking? Okay, this was a bit cheating. Oh, you want me to print out everything? Should I just see out I? Then here see out boom. New line. Okay, let's try. 2 1 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, this works, but we need to add a space. Let's go! I feel so cool for getting this so quickly, although I feel so uncool for taking so long to solve it. Alright. Submit code. Come on, come on. Come on, work. Yes! Nice. They should be in a new directory called so annoying, man. It's created subdirectories. Okay. As raft and array. That one was trivial. Easy raft. Easy raft. Easy raft. So what do we do here? You're given an integer n, construct an array n of distinct positive integers a1 to an such that for all I, 1 less than equal to I less than equal to n, a1 plus blah 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 to an is divisible by a or determine and no such array exists. Single integer n. Integer n, construct an array of n distinct positive integers a1 to an such that for all I, oh, that sum is divisible by ai. I mean, surely you just, oh, they're distinct. You pick that number, you go plus minus plus minus. Each test contains a multiple test cases. 3, 1. 1 is any random. 1, 1. That is the number of numbers. Everything is divisible by 1. Everything is divisible by 9 here. So I don't think the no case is possible, but so you have for a given number that's 4. So what if I take 1? If we take 1, we can always have 1. 2. 6. 1, 2, 3, 6. 12. Ah, you just sum the previous numbers. You go 1, 2, sum 3. 3 plus 6. Sum all the previous numbers. 12. 24. Because that's holy genius. Holy genius. So you go 1, 2, and then you just keep summing the previous numbers. How many? What are the constraints? You treat 1 specially, and you treat 2 specially. Oh, easy. Include stream. Hashtag include vector. How did that? So I just printed out inline here. Oh, cool. So you hashtag include them. Yeah. Using namespace stud in main. Does it take something? No. In n. Now these are the number of things. C in goes to n. 4 int I equals 0. I greater than I less than n. I plus plus. Here you have vector v of n. Vector int. Then again for loop, and m equals v of I if m equal to 1. So we have, are there no constraints? Single integer from 1 to 50. M equal to 1. C out. Elif. Else if m equal to 2, C out 1, 2. Wait, 1, 2 is not divisible. 1 to 3 onwards is divisible by 2. So 2 is the only case that doesn't work actually. Because the numbers need to be exactly the same. If I have 3, 4, 1. Or they have if the numbers have exactly the same factors, then they are not the same. Do you continue in this? No, the default case. Oops, wrong direction. Now the ka-chow, bow, wow case. For in j equals 0, j plus j less than m, j plus plus pray in c equals 0, s c out. So you see out 3, and then you will S doubles itself. Boom. Pew. Ka-chow. That's about it. The end of a for loop, you're going to \n semicolon return 0. Come on, no syntax error, no syntax error. Come on, come on. Hey, let's go, first try. Ah, we did not include the \n here, did we? Well, I have a mouse, why don't I use the mouse? I think that is it. One, two, three, 6, 1, 2, 3, 6, 12. Yep, LGTN. Would 1, 2, 4 work? No. Whatever. I mean, this works. So, submit code. Boom, boom. Pew. Shite. Seriously? On example 2. The sum is divisible by AI. Oh, maybe 3's case does work. 6 and 4. So you go 6 and 12. No. 6 and 18. No. Ten, 20 and 1 is always smaller. So you got 1. This is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 6 divisible by 2, divisible by 1, divisible by 3. 6 plus 6, 12 divisible by all of these. 24 divisible by all of these. So the logic here isn't flawed. I don't see, at least, if it's flawed. Oh, 10 to the power 17. Three times 2 of 47. So what is 2 to the power 47? 2 to the power wait, what shilling? 2 to the power 47 is E14, 48, 49, 50 even. Yeah, so we're well within the range, if that's the issue. With 2 and 2 numbers, there is no solution. Indistinct positive integers. What is the bug here? It's all divisible. Oh no, this is not 24. Okay, I'm going to, let's write this down here for you, chat. So I'm doing 1, 2, 3, 6, 12, 24. This works for now because this is 12. 48. This is 48, so it works. 96. It's 96. Yeah, this works, mans. What? I don't think there's any flaw. Yeah, it fucking does. Is my output incorrect? Is correct. Does not read the input in the format. Are you stupid? Are you actually joking me? Are you flipping me? C in is VI. Why is this not the intended format? Shouldn't I roll the C in first? And then do the C out. What? The first input is T and then it's N. How does it matter what I name it? I know it's the number of test cases. Oh, shit. No, wait, yeah, that's fine. What is this guy saying, dude? How does it matter? Okay, so I'm right. Oh. Integer overflow? Are you serious? Are you serious? Are you tripping? There's no actual way. So let's try it, right? Let's run this code with 50. To be fair, yeah, I didn't even know this edge case exists. Oh my holy overflow. Are you joking me? Are you actually tripping me? That's so unserious. Why? Why? Why you do that to me? Okay, this should work. Toxic. So toxic. Or more an alternating. Alternating? Sorry. Okay, more arrays. Define the alternating sum of array B of length k to be minus 1 to the power I plus 1 bi. So that's for all I. You go minus 1 to the power plus 1. That means is the first one positive or negative? B1 bk exists as well. This is you. Alternating sum is plus minus and so on. Plus first lm minus second plus third and so on. Find the number of sequences 1 less than equal to r, 1 less than equal to r2 less than non-decreasing array A of length n such that for all 1 less than equal to r less than equal to n, either ai is minus 1 or ai is a positive integer. It's not decreasing. Starts with minus 1. Alternating sum. What does this mean? Okay, let's see an example. Plus minus 0. Oh. The length of the array. First line. Yeah, we'll use toilet real quick. You guys, in chat, can read this in the meantime. alternating server length k to be minus 1. So, example. You have. Oh, okay. I think the objective is to find the number of sequences of length k such that the alternating sum of wait, I think they missed this. But what I think they want is k is arbitrary. They want a subsequence. They want the number of subsequences such that the alternating sum is 0. Okay. And they can be exactly the same for different a values. Okay. A1, A4, A5. Are you also then allowed to have... Okay, it needs to be strictly increasing order. Alternating. And it's not considered... Switching the order is not considered valid. You need to retain the order. Okay. Oh, is this a wholly dynamic programming? Plus minus plus. That means... I think this is a wholly dynamic programming. So you would consider a number, drop it, or either you drop it or keep it. Yeah. Either you drop it and then you add a subtract its value, and every number's value would come with it itself being positive. Yep, it's a wholly dynamic programming. But I can't lie, I don't feel like doing this. Can you Can you do a code forces problem from a contest later? Okay, I'm gonna try this later. Come on, man, chat. Cool. Okay. Solid. Right, let's just do it. Let's read the other ones. This is so doable. Just with DP. This also gives me a DP vibe. Just looks fun. Whatever. Bored. Okay, let's pick this up tomorrow then. See you guys. Bye bye.